Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. We're making this for him keychains for some young gentlemen. I was like, why not show you that keychains can also, resin keychains can also work very well for some young men. And to see more of my other keychains, ideas, bookmarks, pens, please check the playlist above, and I'll link several cards above to show you, to just direct you to where you can find them. I hope you like this. To begin with, we're going to use these mandala molds. I shared with you how to make mandala keychains before. I'm going to link that up. And we're going to use this bronzestone MEYSPRING. All right, and that's what we're going to paint on. And we're going to use this charcoal black mica to mix it in. And so let me show you how we are painting this on. I need to get a smaller brush because I think this is too wide. Because the letter, we are only going to use this bronzestone mica, MEYSPRING bronzestone mica on the letter. So let me bring you closer. I don't know if you can see this. We're doing an A and a W because this is for our custom order. All right. Here is our bronze. We're just tapping it a little and putting it on there. On the A. I didn't want gold because gold would be too bright. And on the W, and on the W also. And because the mandala already has a design for him, I didn't want to put color on it. All right, there we go. That's it. After this, I'll mix the resin. Come and show you. It's so easy and quick. See, this is missing. And the other thing I'm going to do is try, I don't want to pick this with tape because I'll pick everything, but I'll try turn it upside down so that it doesn't go everywhere, and remove the excess resin. Because what happens sometimes, the resin floats. No, the mica floats after, and then you'll see it. We'll see at the end if this one will float, and sometimes then you're made to maybe have to do another layer to cover that up, or just leave it. Because I normally see with handmade things, that's the beauty of handmade things, that none will ever look like the other one, but all the same, you do things with excellence. All right, there we go. So I'll just come with the resin, we continue. Here are our cured key rings. Let's demold them. All right. This is the A. Oh, look at that. Look at how that bronze has come out without being overbearing. Let's see how the W is. Oh, and it feels so nice coming out from the texture. Let me show you a close-up. As you see it, you can see the mandala. You can see the texture. Yeah, from this angle you can see the texture on them. Look at that. And the bronze contrasts with the black without being too much, especially for a guy. So this is a W and this is an A. Look at that. And so what I'm going to do is wait as I put in the key ring. This is for him. Please order one for Father's Day, and you can order and make them any color or any other time, gift for any season. And for some people who like them for back charms, let me know. And they don't have to be just for him, even for her, and we do many colors. So let's put the key chain and then I show you how it looks at the end. And I hope you subscribe and press the notification so that you don't miss out on such videos in the future. And if you'd like to see, like when I do more variations of this, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Mica Inspires. If you want, you could also personalize some more, you know, like put a sticker name at the back, put a logo, put many things. When this is wide, it's thick, you have to open that wide, put that in and put the keychain part and then pull it together, and then that's it. God bless you, Barakatele. See you on the next video. Those are mandala keychains. I hope you subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. God bless you, Barakatele. See you on my next video. Please follow me on Instagram and TikTok so that you'll be able to find this and other colors